mess. What a mess. I finished photographing all of these pieces, and now I have to figure out what to do with them, because I don't want them sitting on top of that counter. I know I have to do some photo editing and that takes forever, but do I remove them while I do the photo editing so that I can upload it onto my Etsy store, or do I just leave them there? I really don't know. Alexa, play Bossa Nova.
Sure. Here's a station for you, Bossa Nova, on Amazon Music.
Well, this is a little bit better. I think I can live with this. It's not too bad. The countertop is clean, but I still have these pieces here, which is fine, because what I'm going to do now is do some photo editing, and then I'll upload them to my Etsy store. So I need them to be available so that I can pick them up and examine them when I go to type up the description for each one. So I can live with that. That's better than before. I cleared the counter. I hate having things on top of the countertop. But I did want to show you guys one of the methods I use for whenever I store my pieces, my Etsy store pieces. I have this box here, and what I do, as you can see, I've got these necklace displays, and I keep my collections on one display. So for instance, if I do a fall collection, say with agate, I will put all of the necklaces and bracelets that I make on this necklace display, and then I may use these little holders for bracelets or earrings, so that when I go to sell an item, I can very easily find it. This was from a Bargain Bee box, and it was that blue quartz ocean theme that they sent us with starfish. And as you can see, I've only got a couple of bracelets left and one necklace. I sold quite a few of those, and it's just an easy way for me to find them. It does get a little bit muddled up, but for the one-offs, I just put them on these little cards, and it's pretty easy for me to find them. I just go through them and I put them in those plastic sleeves. And then for the bracelets, memory wire bracelets, I usually put them in baggies, and I still have quite a few that I need to put in there. But anyway, that's one of the methods I use. And this box sits behind my bar, my counter. So yeah, so those are the bracelets that I need to list. Memory wire bracelets, and those are going to go in baggies, and I'm going to put them, these are stretch bracelets. Anyway, I'm going to put them in that box so that they're out of the way. I like this necklace here. This one's real pretty. I did this one with wire, very organic looking. So yeah, these are pieces that I made recently that I just haven't had time to put away, so I need to list them on Etsy first and then put them away. And then I also keep some on the shelves, as you can see. Now the reason I do that is because those are pieces that I'm not confident about as far as the base metals. Like, I don't know if those metals are going to oxidize or not. There was one collection from Bargain Bee Box. It was a rose gold collection that was just horrible. The metal pieces oxidized even in storage. They were just terrible. Let me see if I can find one of them and I'll show you. Necklace that I made using one of the Bargain Bee Box monthly collections, subscription boxes that they sent us. And it didn't really turn very much in color, but what it did was that it lets off this horrible metallic smell. And I can't really explain, you know, what it smells like, other than it's just a very strong metallic smell, and it feels kind of tacky. Now this necklace has been in storage, so there's no reason for it to feel tacky, but it does. It feels tacky, and it feels like, you know, I just don't think I would want to put this on my skin, and therefore I am not going to sell this one. I'm just going to pull it apart and take the beads off and do something else with the beads. I'm not going to sell this to anybody because I wouldn't wear it. That's my number one rule. If it's something that I wouldn't wear, then I'm certainly not going to sell it to anybody. So that's one of the reasons why I keep things on display sometimes, just to see what it does over time. You know, if I'm not certain about a base metal, I will put it on a necklace display and I'll leave it there. It's covered in everything. It has a plastic over it, but you know, the base metals that are bad will oxidize even though they're covered. And so those are the ones that I definitely am not going to sell to anybody. And you know, the ones that I feel confident about, I don't do that with. I just go ahead and list them and sell them, you know, if I feel pretty confident about them. But if I'm not feeling confident about a certain metal, I will put it on a display and wait a few weeks or months and then examine it and see how it holds up. And that's what I do. And how do you like my little Christmas tree? I haven't had a chance to put that away. Oh my gosh, I'm so embarrassed. It's a little mini Christmas tree that I just haven't had a chance to store away yet. But anyway, that's about it, guys. I just wanted to give you a quick peek of, you know, some of the mess that I had going on here. And I'm just like everybody else. I'm not by any means perfect. I'm not a perfectionist, but I do love my cats, the two of them, and I will say that they are perfect in my eyes. Right, Boo Boo? Yes, you're my perfect kitty cat. And Lulu, yes. Okay, beading buddies, I just wanted to say a quick hello, and I'm off to my computer now to upload my jewelry pieces onto my Etsy store. So anyway, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.